Yeah. Guys, if you're viewing me for the first time, thumbs up straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So today, you guys, we got the young chicken up in the building. Okay, so yeah, your girl is finna rotisserie her some chicken. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add us a little olive oil. Why you say a little olive oil? Because we're gonna get that season to stick to our chicken, you guys. And we're gonna put us some seasoning on here. So we're gonna start off with some Cajun style Louisiana seasoning. And we're gonna put a mix on it because we have some grilled chicken seasoning, you guys. So yeah, we're gonna see what this flavor is about too. But we're doing a mix. Okay, we're gonna do a mix because it have all this herbs and everything up in there. Yeah. So this is an easy recipe, and I always wanted my own. And we're gonna add us some paprika because it's gonna help with the brownness. Okay. And we're gonna just rub it on in. Just rub it on in, you guys. Get all of that seasoning all in there. Yes, you guys. So by the time you get to this video, I've been tested. And we're going to straighten these legs up. And, oh yeah. I'm loosen it on up, okay? Because we let him thaw it out on his own. And yeah. Your girl want to make sure that she got all the flavor up in here. It's going up in there. Put some of that flavor down in there. That's going in between. Rub our hands, get all up in there, you guys. Get all up in there. Yeah. Make sure everything is open. Because I want to test this out, you guys. So we got seasoning. What'd you think? Think you seasoned well enough? There we go. So now, this is our bracket that came with this. And this is to make sure that you hold everything in spot. Okay. So this bracket has to go in between here. It got to fit in here now. Actually, it has a stand, but we're gonna go ahead and get it on in here, you guys. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now that we got that in, let's clap this bracket on, because we want to make sure that our rotisserie is good. Okay, we gotta make sure he's good and he's in spot. There we go. Put our little bolts where they need to go. There we go. Okay, so we got him good and secure. You guys, your girl gotta clean up this mess. Okay, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, guys, so we're back. So we have got the rack in here, you guys, as you can see. Okay, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do our own rotisserie chicken today, you guys. This is the rack that came with it, so I have to insert it to make sure that I can get the bird in. So I have to lift him up. So this may get a little messy, you guys. But I wanted to carry you guys through this step. So we're going to sit him aside for a quick minute. I'm going to try to give you guys less arms. But we got our bracket in here. And we're going to insert him on in here. And lower him down. Wait a minute. There we go. We got that one down. There we go. Gotta bring this bracket out, don't we? Look, you guys, I don't know. There we go. Wait a minute. Will you fit into something? I don't know. Let's go back in here. There's our bracket. And there he goes. There we go. Okay, so I had him in there right all the time, you guys. Your girl just don't want to mess it up, okay? So yeah, so we got him in. Whoops. Close that a little too hard. And we're going to raise the temperature 400. And we're going to chicken. No. I want 400. And I want 50 minutes. And we're gonna press. That's it. I don't know, you guys. I'm just following the different little recipes, which I already know how to make a chicken. And rotisserie shouldn't be hard. You guys, let's check on the light. So we have it in there. Let me bring you guys closer. So we have it in there. So let's see what it does. Turner. Yeah. Guys, if you're with me for the first time, thumbs up, straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. I would love to meet you if you leave a comment below. Yes, you guys, check that turn out. I am loving this. can only put 3 to 5 pounds, I believe, when it comes to the weight of the chicken or any pork, such as a pork loin, tenderloin. And, you know, hey, you guys, I think this was a very nice gift. Because I enjoy cooking. I really enjoy cooking. So I just wanted to share this little footage. We'll be right back. You guys, let's take a look. At what our chicken is doing. We're gonna pause it for a minute. Oh, yes. We're gonna let it finish cooking. Okay guys, so we're on our last 2 or maybe 3 minutes, guys. We're on our last 3 minutes. So yes, everything is looking perfectly fine. I am actually surprised, you guys. I'm gonna put on me some gloves right quick so we can get right on in here and check it out, you guys. Wow. I must say, this is an item to have. So yeah, after this rotisserie, I'm gonna do some crispy green beans. Now some of the recipes that I'm coming with is actually out of the pamphlet or cookbook that comes with it. And you guys, I would love to show you guys. So it comes with this cookbook, and as you see, you guys, I don't want to cover it up, but yes, it has a variety of different recipes. And so yeah, your girl got the souvlaki chicken, which is another name for Greek. If you haven't checked that video out, please go over and check it out. You guys, I got the recipes from this. So they give you 3 to 4 of them, and yeah, your girl say, well, I'm gonna try some of those recipes, and I am loving everything about this pro air fryer. I really am. Like I say, you guys, I'm no pro in the kitchen, but I enjoy testing new gadgets, and I enjoy different recipes with the twist. You guys, I really enjoy cooking overall. So yeah, let's check into this chicken, you guys. Let's hit that light and look at there. Oh my goodness, let me give you a close-up. Look at there. Yes, that is looking mighty delicious. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this on out. You guys, never mind my hand. And I'm going to get my tray, and we're going to put it right here on the tray. You guys. Let me move the chicken out the way for a quick second. And there is our chicken, you guys. Let's put this away. And we're going to let this chicken rest for approximately 5 minutes. Okay, guys. So we have let him rest. get him in the camera. You guys, you see this goldenness? You guys. So the front is golden, but a light color. Okay. But it's still good. Why? Because your girl want to go in here and see, is it actually done? You guys, look at that meat. Look at the juices. Now, I do feel like it needs to be browned a little more, but it is actually done. But I'm okay with the results because it's juicy. Yes, it is definitely juicy. I'm a crispy type of gal. So yeah, you hear that crunch. So yeah, there you have it. This is the rotisserie chicken from out the Pro air fryer. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to like, comment, and share. And yeah, don't forget, if you're not part of the team, come on and join. But meantime, stick around, because I'm going to put this back inside the oven.